Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If you see a frustrating error button in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser next to your profile icon, it is almost always caused by a paused account sync or a disabled extension. I will show you exactly how to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the fastest way to solve this is to simply click directly on the error button itself. A drop-down menu will appear explicitly telling you what is wrong. If it says extension error, an add-on like Adobe PDF or an antivirus web shield recently updated and needs your permission to turn back on. If it asks you to sign in again or enter passphrase, your Google account session has simply expired or requires your sync password. Next, if it is an account error that will not go away even after you try logging back in, you need to refresh your sync connection. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and open your settings. Under the You and Google section, click on Sync and Google Services or Turn Off next to your profile name. Confirm the prompt to completely disconnect your account, restart your browser, and sign back in to clear the glitch. Finally, if the error was triggered by a third-party extension but the prompt disappeared, you must manually check your add-ons. Click the three dots, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Look through your grid of installed extensions for any that are grayed out, turned off, or displaying an alert message. Toggle the switch to the On position to re-enable it, or click Remove to delete it entirely, and the top right error indicator will instantly vanish. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.